What are the types of derivatives? There are different derivatives. Number one is forwards. So this contract that we discussed between Kellogg and Gopal Rao is an example of forward contract. You got a future. Remember what is future? Future is nothing but a forward only. Future is nothing but a forward contract only. The only difference is forward is a tailor-made contract. Forward is a tailor-made contract. It's a contract which is signed between Gopal Rao and Kellogg based on their specific situations. So forward is a tailor-made, whereas future are standardized product. सो जो फ्यूचर ऑप्शन जो हम सुनते हैं एनएससी के ऊपर बीएससी के ऊपर अबाउट दी शेयर कंपनीज कंपनीज ऑफ दी डिफरेंट शेयर्स ऑफ द डिफरेंट कंपनीज आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फ्यूचर बिकॉज ऑल दोज फ्यूचर्स आर स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड. इतना क्वांटिटी है, एवरीथिंग इज स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड इन केस ऑफ फ्यूचर. So that is prime difference that you must remember. Every future is a forward. Every future is a forward contract. But forward contract is not a future. And why forward contract is not a future? Because forward contract is a tailor-made, is customized. Futures are standardized. Then you have options, and as we discussed, there are two kinds of options: put options and the call options. We'll discuss about them. And then you have swaps. So the classic example of swaps can be interest rate swap. So what is interest rate swap? There are two parties, both of them have borrowings, and one has a borrowing which is at a fixed rate of interest. The other one has a borrowing which is on the floating rate of interest. Depending upon as to how does it suit them, they can decide to swap the rates of interest. Please remember, they will not swap the loan. The principal amount will remain with both of them only. They will only swap the cash flow. So that means the borrower who has a fixed rate liability and who is swapping it with the other borrower who has got a floating rate liability. So by virtue of the swap, the floating rate liability holder will pay for the cash flow of the fixed rate of interest, and vice versa. We'll discuss more about it with the help of an example. But at this juncture, so remember, swap means स्वैप जो हम नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ में स्वैप क्या करते हैं, एक्सचेंज करते हैं. दैट लाइकवाइज इंटरेस्ट रेट स्वैप्स आर स्वैपिंग द इंटरेस्ट. सो दीज आर द फोर टाइप्स ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स दैट वी हैव. And very quickly, how to differentiate between the forward contract and the future? Remember, as I said earlier, every future is a forward, but every forward is not a future. Futures are future contract. Futures contracts are standardized and they are exchange traded. So a future in Tata Motors, a future in Maruti, a future in Infosys, a future in Wipro, a future in TCS, they are all standardized कि हर एक जो फ्यूचर है वो कितनी क्वांटिटी का है. फॉर अलग अलग कंपनी इज गोइंग टू बी अलग डिफरेंट क्वांटिटी. सो दैट इज फिक्स्ड एंड दे आर एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड. Whereas the forward contract is customized. It is between the Kellogg and farmer. It is not exchange traded. It is over the counter. So what is the meaning of over the counter? The meaning of over the counter is Kellogg and Gopal Rao, they will sit across the table, across the counter, and sign the contract, the forward contract. So that is the difference number two. Settlement. The settlement of a forward contract will happen on the maturity, and that is the date which is agreed in the forward contract. And settlement of future, in case any one of you have been dealing in future, will know that the settlement of a future will happen on daily basis. सो अगर आपने कोई फ्यूचर लिया हुआ है ना, सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेदर यू हैव बॉट अ फ्यूचर, यू हैव सोल्ड अ फ्यूचर, योर अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड और क्रेडिटेड डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्राइस prevalent in the market on that day. So the settlement in case of future is on daily basis. Settlement in case of forward, it is on maturity. Risk in case of forward is high because अगर कैलॉग ने झटका दे दिया तो गोपाल रॉय विल बी इन ट्रबल, गोपाल रॉय ने झटका दे दिया तो कैलॉग विल बी इन ट्रबल. But in case of future, the risk is low. Why? Because between the buyer and the seller, stock market stands as a guarantor. So if the buyer fails, the stock market will take the role of the buyer and fulfill that obligation. So the risk in case of future is low. Default in case of forward, default possibility is there because किसान को कुछ हो सकता है, कैलॉग भी कल कुछ गड़बड़ कर सकती है, लेकिन in case of future the default risk is practically zero because the stock market, the stock exchange will stand as a guarantor for any and every future transaction. As I said earlier, size of the contract depends on the contract terms, and in case of future it is fixed. Collateral, in case of forward contract, no collateral are required. And why no collateral are required? Because the buyer and the seller are principals, they are at the same footing and they are taking the same kind of obligations and same kinds of rights. So therefore there is no collateral required. But in case of future, collaterals are required. Collaterals are required not by the opposite party. अपोजिट पार्टी तो आपको मालूम ही नहीं है कौन है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप फ्यूचर खरीदेंगे या फ्यूचर सेल करेंगे तो आप स्टॉक मार्केट पे करेंगे, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे जाके करेंगे, स्टॉक टर्मिनल पे जाके करेंगे, और वो टर्मिनल पे सामने से वाला कौन खरीद रहा है कौन बेच रहा है आपको मालूम नहीं है. यू डू नॉट नो एज टू हु द काउंटर पार्टी इज एंड हु इज बिटवीन यू एंड द काउंटर पार्टी. It is the stock exchange. So therefore, in case either of these party make a default, who is responsible? The stock exchange is responsible. So stock exchange is taking that risk, and for taking that risk, stock exchange will charge a cost, right? A cost for buying and selling of those future contracts. So that is how it is. Maturity, as we said, in case of forward contract, it is as agreed, and in case of futures, it is predetermined. Regulation, forward contracts are self-regulated, and in case of futures, the regulation is by the stock exchange. Liquidity, of course, liquidity is a big problem as far as the forward contracts are concerned because they are not traded in the market, so they are not marketable. Forward contracts are not marketable, they are between the two specific parties, but futures are marketable. Today you buy a future, somehow you think that you have taken a wrong decision, you can sell it today itself, tomorrow, day after, or whatever. So the choice is available with you. So the liquidity is not an issue as far as the futures are concerned. So remember, forward contract and future in general are same. Only difference, major difference is forwards are tailor-made, customized, whereas futures are standardized products. Now let's look at what are the types of the options that we have.